All right, we have another one. We're working on a 2008 Ducati 848. Customer sent the ignition. Customer sent the dashboard. We don't need this plastic piece to go with it. You just take off these screws. But they sent the dashboard basically and the ignition. So basically what we're going to end up doing is making the keys from scratch. We have, as you see, we got a bunch of blank keys ready to rock. So we'll just go ahead and figure out what the keys are from scratch, decode the locks, do the pre-programming. We'll come back in a little bit. This package came out of, where it came out of? Oh, this one, actually, this one's out of Florida. So I'll come back in a little bit. All right, this puppy's done. This is the 2008 Ducati 848. Here's the two keys. I color code them. Here's a chip for those of y'all that wonder what it would look like. Y'all call me about it, say my key don't have a chip. Yeah, this is inside the plastic head. So here we go. Key one, on, off, steering bolt lock, park. Now we're gonna go from park, unlock steering wheel, on, off. So those of you that have somebody make you a key and all they can do is this, on and off, and they can't do the steering lock, you don't have a perfect key. Because it's real easy to make this part happen. But it's real harder to get that to work. And just so you know, when we start with the chips are basically blank. You see it's just a blank chip. And these chips actually have data on it now. It changed from regular T5 to a Type 11. Other one, same way. This particular bike, based on the dashboard and the software that was in the dashboard, it made the chip a Type 11. But some bikes are going to be a Type 12, a Type 13. So it depends on how the data is written and what type of dashboard is connected to the bike. I can't show you the dashboard, the label on it. I already packaged it, get ready to send it back to the customer. But I have the special equipment, been doing this for a very long time. I've been doing locksmith personally since the early 90s, about 91. 1990 to 91, that's about it. So I got a lot of years experience. I've been doing Ducatis for a minute now. But if you need my help, give me a call. I'm glad to help you. I'll tell you what I'm going to need, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And but if you need me to tell you how to bypass the system on the bike, that's not what I do. You might want to consult the dealer for that part. But if you want to make a key and make the bike work the way it's supposed to work, give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.